This year we remember Operation Chastise, or better known as the Dam Busters Raid, which took place 80 years ago this year. PA-474 was built at the Vickers Armstrong Broughton factory at Hayward in 1945 at the end of the war, and did not see any operational service. The aircraft joined BBMF in 1973, making this her 50th year with us. PA-474 was officially adopted by the City of Lincoln in 1975, and permission was granted for the aircraft to display the coat of arms and the name of the city on its nose. PA-474 is currently painted on its port side as Lancaster Whiskey 5005, or ARL for leader, with nose art depicting a kangaroo in miner's boots playing the bagpipes. This represented the mixed nationalities of its crew at the time. On the starboard side, PA-474 wears the 50 Squadron code letters VNT, which were the code letters of the aircraft in which Flying Officer Dougie Milliken flew 27 of the 35 operations on his tour with 50 Squadron. If you would like to keep up to date with our activity, you can find us on social media. You can follow us on Twitter and Instagram at RAF BBMF and on Facebook at bbmf.official. Okay, as she heads off, I would just like to leave you with one final thought on our flight's motto: lest we forget.
Well, huge thanks to everybody from Coningsby, the Battlefront Memorial Flight, and as we were just told, lest we forget, a fitting tribute to the men and women that served in the Second World War, not just in Bomber Command, but throughout the